Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat, Param Brahma, Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah. Which means Guru is Brahma, Guru is Vishnu, Guru is Maheshwara, Guru is the Supreme Soul in the universe. Respected teachers and my dear friends, and today I want to tell you importance of teacher in our life on behalf of Teachers Day. Guys, you know, G for generator, O for operator, D for destroyer. Means Guru is the real God in the universe, and who can generate the thousand of people, who can operate the thousand of people, who can destroy the life of thousand of people. The development of children depend upon a teacher. The development of country depend upon a teacher. The development of society depend upon a teacher. If teacher become good, then society become good. If teacher become bad, then society become bad. If teacher is progressing, then society will progress. If teacher is disturbing, then society will disturb. I would like to tell you that our Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan said, don't observe my birthday, you should observe this day as a Teacher's Day. That's why we are observing Teacher's Day on 5th September every year and for the inspiration of teacher. And he said, if the teacher will progress and country will progress, if the teacher will increase, then country will increase. If teacher will disturb, then country will disturb. I would like to tell you that teacher is playing vital role in the children's life. Teacher changes the character, nature, manner, behavior, gesture, posture, attitude, way of talking, even their mentality. Teacher makes the child doctor, engineer, IAS, OS, lawyer, and professor, policeman, teacher, etc. So I would like to tell you that teacher clears the darkness and gives us brightness, and teacher builds the career and character of the child. I would like to tell you that teacher is very important part of our life. Though children respect their teacher, they mostly get success in their life. Those who underestimate their teacher, they cannot get success in their life. They always failure in their life. They turn into antisocial person like murderer, kidnapper, rapist, and terrorist, etc. I would like to tell you that each and every people in the world should understand importance of teacher in our life. I would like to tell you that this is the time for us, and we should inspire our teacher, support our teacher, cooperate our teacher, and help our teacher, so that we can get success in our life and we can bring peace for our society. You might have listened about our great teacher like Swami Vivekananda, and he visited different part of the world and given the bright knowledge to the students, and that's why he is known as the famous teacher of the world. You might have known Mother Teresa. She is also the best teacher for the students, and because she has spread the knowledge among the all children, and she was also the mother of all our fun children. You might have known about the great teacher of India, Abdul Kalam, and he dedicated his life for the students, and he given the brightness to the students, and his thoughts were very powerful, and it is creating big impact in our mind. You might have known Gopabandhu Das, the great teacher of Odisha, and he has also given the brightness to the all Odisha people as well as Indian people. You might have known that Lord Ram have a teacher, Lord Krishna have a teacher, Gautam Buddha have a teacher. If God and Goddess respecting their teacher, why we are not? So at last I want to tell you that, and this is the day brought us opportunity to think about our teachers, and please guys, don't underestimate your teacher, don't scold and beat your teacher, support your teacher, respect your teacher, so that we can bring success for our life, for our country, for the society. Thank you guys. Thanks for giving me chance to say something about importance of teacher in our life. Have a good day.